It's easy to use the metric United States converter that's included in class. When you are converting the Spanish recipe or any recipe from metric to the United States, use this easy site. And as I scroll down, the first thing you're going to want to do is pick your ingredient. So you'll click here, and you have a lot of different ingredients to pick from. The questions on your formative quiz are generally potatoes. So I'm going to scroll up there and we'll just take a look at that. Here we go. So there's some different options here. Make sure you're being careful with, do you want a cooked or a raw product? So read your recipe. I'm going to just pick raisins to show you how to use this. Okay, first click your ingredient. We're going to skip the US British kitchen units and we're going to scoot right down to the metric European because the recipe I gave you is Spanish. Great Britain is a little bit different, their measurements compared to other European countries. So let's say my recipe calls for grams, the weight measurement of raisins, and let's say it calls for 100 grams. I will type 100 in and then click Convert Me, and it will tell me approximately how much in United States. So 0.6, for example, would be slightly more than a half cup. 0.5 would be a half cup, right? 1 would be 1 cup. Or approximately 10.5 tablespoons, or approximately 31 teaspoons. So it's really that simple. We'll do one more. We'll clear it, pick your ingredient, we'll do almonds. And let's say my recipe calls for 300 grams of almonds. I'll type that in, Convert Me, and it will show I would need about little more than 1.5 cup, or I would need approximately 28 tablespoons. And we are focused on the formative quiz on cups and tablespoons. So don't worry about anything else. And again, don't look at the US British units. We're looking at the metric European units. Okay, good luck with this. If you need help, let me know.